Welcome to another episode of Tips with Bill, brought to you by CBS Aqua Systems.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about service calls. We have heard horror stories from our customers. Just last week we had one that they thought they were having trouble with their water softener, so they reached out to a company that had a very inexpensive fee to come to the house, and by the time it was said and done, they paid $875 for something to be fixed that really didn't even need to be fixed. We charge $90 for a service call. When we come on out, we test your water, we check over the equipment. We're not looking for problems before we even get to your house. We're not pre-planning, what can we upsell you, where can we get some more money out of you. We will get out to the house, we'll go through the equipment, make sure everything is working properly. If something does need to be done, we will recommend it and show you why it needs to be done. But more and more customers are getting frustrated and even threatening legal action for companies that are coming out with a so-called low service call charge just to be paid a lot of money to really do very little work on their equipment. If you'd like to save some money and not pay the service call fee, you could bring us the water. We could test it right here in the shop for you. We sell parts over the counter in case anything ever did need to be replaced. But we're here to help, and call the office if you have any questions. Thank you.